Which one has the circle shape? Yes, the ball is round and bright, a perfect circle rolling light. It spins and bounces all around. That's the circle shape we found. Four straight sides, all the same. The square is playing a little game. Three things come to join the show: a box, a kite, a bow. Which one looks like a square? Yes, the box is straight and neat. Four sides meet at corners sweet. Every side is just the same. That's the square shape in the game. 1, 2, 3 with pointed sides. A triangle stands so tall and wide. Here are three things you can see: a slice of pizza, a star, a key. Which one has a triangle shape? Yes, the pizza slice is right. Three sharp corners, what a sight. A triangle shape so yummy to see. Count the sides, there are three. Two sides short, two sides long. The rectangle sings a steady song. Look, three things are here today: a book, a ball, some clay. Which one is a rectangle? Yes, the book is clear and strong. Two sides short and two sides long. Open the pages, read along. That's the rectangle in our song. Stretch the circle, make it tall. An oval shape we see.